Hiya, welcome to this very quick instructional tutorial on how to use your Scanmarker Exam Pro. As you can see, this is my Scanmarker Exam Pro. It's got a large touch screen. It's about the length of a pen. It's lightweight and portable. See, it's got a large gate here to read the text. There is even a little line, and this represents where the text should be scanned. So it should be on that line when scanning across. It is both left and right-handed, so you can scan it this way, you can scan it this way. It's got a USB port in the bottom and it's rechargeable battery via USB at any point there. And it gives you a battery indicator up here at the top. So the first thing we'll do is we'll click read. This is the text to speech exam function. As you can see, it says sentence or word. First thing we're going to do is hit this little cog up in the corner. The voice speed is fully adjustable. We can just hit plus, or we can hit the minus. Let's have it quite slow today. You can adjust the scan language, and you can adjust the reading language. So we've got British and American accents. You pick it up, put it between a 60 and 90-degree angle, click it down, it lights up, and you just scan it across in one smooth move.
Who are you inviting?
You'll read that text out. You might notice it also highlights as it's reading. We'll hold that just above the microphone to make sure the audio comes through.
Who are you inviting?
A lot of students do use this just for individual words, so we can also hit word, select the word, and I'll just hold that over the microphone.
Inviting.
So you can boost your understanding of that particular word if it's confusing or tripping the student up. It also offers translation offline into 5 different languages: Spanish, German, Italian, and French. Again, we select translate, 60 to 90-degree angle, click it down, scan it straight across, processes that information.
¿Quién
Reads that out in a Spanish accent on this occasion. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.